Parrots, also known as P.S. itacenes, are birds of the roughly 398 species in 92 genera comprising the order Psittaciformes, found mostly in tropical and subtropical regions. The order is subdivided into three superfamilies: the Psittacoidea, true parrots, the Cacatoidea, cockatoos, and the Strigopoidea, New Zealand parrots. 1/3 of all parrot species are threatened by extinction, with higher aggregate extinction risk, IUCN Red List Index, than any other comparable bird group. Parrots have a generally pantropical distribution, with several species inhabiting temperate regions in the southern hemisphere, as well. The greatest diversity of parrots is in South America and Australasia. Characteristic features of parrots include a strong, curved bill, an upright stance, strong legs, and clawed zygodactyl feet. Many parrots are vividly colored, and some are multicolored. Most parrots exhibit little or no sexual dimorphism in the visual spectrum. They form the most variably sized bird order in terms of length. The most important components of most parrots' diets are seeds, nuts, fruit, buds, and other plant material. A few species sometimes eat animals and carrion, while the lories and lorikeets are specialized for feeding on floral nectar and soft fruits. Almost all parrots nest in tree hollows, or nest boxes in captivity, and lay white eggs from which hatch altricial, helpless, young. Parrots, along with ravens, crows, jays, and magpies, are among the most intelligent birds, and the ability of some species to imitate human speech enhances their popularity as pets. Trapping wild parrots for the pet trade, as well as hunting. Habitat loss, and competition from invasive species, has diminished wild populations, with parrots being subjected to more exploitation than any other group of birds. As of 2021, about 50 million parrots, half of all parrots, live in captivity, with the vast majority of these living as pets in people's homes. Measures taken to conserve the habitats of some high-profile charismatic species have also protected many of the less charismatic species living in the same ecosystems. Parrots are the only creatures that display true tripedalism, using their necks and beaks as limbs with propulsive forces equal to or greater than those forces generated by the forelimbs of primates when climbing vertical surfaces. They can travel with cyclical tripedal gaits when climbing. Diversity in South America and Australasia suggests that the order may have evolved in Gondwana, centered in Australasia. The scarcity of parrots in the fossil record, however, presents difficulties in confirming the hypothesis. There is currently a higher amount of fossil remains from the northern hemisphere in the early Cenozoic. Molecular studies suggest that parrots evolved approximately 59 million years ago, Maya, range 66 to 51 Maya, in Gondwana. The three major clades of neotropical parrots originated about 50 Maya, range 57 to 41 Maya. A single 15 mm, 0.6 in, fragment from a large lower bill, UCMP 143,274. Found in deposits from the Lance Creek Formation in Niobrara County, Wyoming, had been thought to be the oldest parrot fossil and is presumed to have originated from the late Cretaceous period, which makes it about 70 million years old. However, other studies suggest that this fossil is not from a bird, but from a kynagnatheid oviraptorosaur, a non-avian dinosaur with a bird-like beak. As several details of the fossil used to support its identity as a parrot are not actually exclusive to parrots, and it is dissimilar to the earliest known unequivocal parrot fossils. It is generally assumed that the Cetacea forms were present during the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, KPG extinction, 66 Maya. They were probably generalized arboreal birds, and did not have the specialized crushing bills of modern species. Genomic analysis provides strong evidence that parrots are the sister group of passerines, forming the clade Psittacopasseræ, which is the sister group of the falcons. The first uncontroversial parrot fossils date to tropical Eocene Europe around 50 Maya. Initially, a neoavian named Mopsita tanta, uncovered in Denmark's early Eocene fur formation and dated to 54 Maya, was assigned to the Cetacea forms. However, the rather nondescript bone is not unequivocally P.S. Itaciform, and it may rather belong to the ibis genus Rhynchiites, whose fossil legs were found in the same deposits.